The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is here. And it's packing major upgrades. From a bold new design to cutting-edge tech and unbeatable fuel efficiency, this subcompact SUV is ready to take on rivals like the Subaru Crosstrek and Kia Seltos. Want to see what makes it stand out? Stick around. Exterior refresh, sharper and more modern. Bold new grille, the 2026 model debuts. A honeycomb pattern grille, giving it a more aggressive look. Updated lighting, sleeker headlights and a redesigned rear bumper ramp up its road presence. Fresh wheels. Expect new alloy wheel designs to complete its modernized stance. Interior upgrades. Tech takes center stage. Bigger touchscreen. A 10.1-inch infotainment display, up from the current smaller screen for smoother navigation. Digital dashboard. A 12.3-inch digital cluster keeps drivers informed in high resolution. Premium feel. Higher quality materials to rival competitors like the Ford Bronco Sport. Performance and efficiency. Power meets savings. Hybrid powertrain. The same 2.0-litre 4-cylinder plus electric motor combo delivers 196 horsepower. Quick acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.4 seconds. Impressive for a hybrid SUV. Unbeatable MPG. 45 city/38 highway with a 445-mile total range, perfect for road trips. Standard AWD, better traction in rain, snow or off-road adventures. What do you think of the 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this first look, subscribe for more car reviews and news. See you in the next video.